So is it game over for Catgirl Token? I don't think so. Hey, what's going on everyone? Thank you for joining me here today. My name is Rishabh Savant and I'm not a financial advisor. So in this video, I want to talk about why Catgirl Token is down. After weeks of almost continuous good news for the cryptocurrency industry, we are finally seeing a widespread sell-off today. Now, big cryptocurrencies are down, altcoins are down, and even meme coins are having a rough day. So what about Catgirl? Let's take a look at the numbers. So in the past 24 hours, Catgirl is down by 4%. And the fully diluted market cap is $633 million. The volume in the past 24 hours is down by 24%. Wow, that's a lot. And the volume amounts to $4 million worth of coins exchanging hands. What about the market cap? Let's take a look on dextools.io. And the market cap is $296 million. So I'm actually quite happy about this because now I can average down the way I had planned to average down. My initial investment in this coin was at the market cap of $250 million in terms of market cap, and now we are almost there again, $296 million. So I'm a happy man. I'm going to start investing more. The paper hands are selling off and I'm a happy buyer of scared money. So if you look at the general crypto market right now, Bitcoin is down by 2.56% over the past 24 hours. Ethereum is down by 3.3%. BNB down. Solana down 6.8%. Cardano down 3.5%. XRP down 3.7%. Polkadot down by 6.3% as well. Wow. So many deals in the market. I'm confused right now what to buy. Should I buy a little bit of Avalanche? That's a good one. And then Polygon. Polygon is another good one as well. I'll be considering this as well. But anyway, this video is about Catgirl, so let's get back to Catgirl Token. I also want to show you something else. Take a look at the stock market. Even the stock market, right? Yesterday it was down massively. Today it is up marginally. It just started trending up today. Wow, Facebook is up by 3%. That's nice. I'm invested in Facebook. Tesla was the only one that was up yesterday, but today it's down by 2%. And if you had seen this yesterday, almost everything was in the red, including Bitcoin. Except Tesla. Tesla was the only one that was green yesterday. So everything was red. And today, some of the things are red and some of the things are green. So I think there are some signs of recovery. So why is this happening? The biggest news this week was that inflation is going up, right? Inflation is going up. Everyone is talking about inflation. And it's going up faster than expected. And cryptocurrency investors, for the most part, they don't quite know what to make of that. Now, what is inflation, you may ask? Inflation is the rate at which the value of a currency is falling and the general level of prices of goods and services is rising. So, to put it very simply, what happened last year? Right? Last year, during the pandemic, the US government, the Feds, they printed a lot of money, right? And when they print a lot of money, what they do is that they give this away in the form of stimulus checks to people to let them use, because many people lost their jobs, many people couldn't work for various reasons, right? So that happened. People got a lot of money, a lot of free money. So what happens when you get free money? So many people were not working, right, during the pandemic. Many businesses couldn't operate. There were restrictions at the workplace. So some people were out of job. So what this means is that the number of things that were produced, the goods and services that were produced, was lesser than before. But the government is printing more and more money, and many people have more money, and many people had more money during the pandemic than before. So what happens is that when you have more money, but the same number of goods or lesser number of goods, what do you think will happen? So it makes sense, right, to think about it this way, that if there are less number of goods or similar number of goods than before, but you have more money than before, these things will cost more. They're going to become more valuable, right? When things are scarce and when something is abundant, the thing that's scarce becomes more valuable, and a thing that is abundant, like money, becomes less valuable, isn't it? So in a nutshell, that's what inflation means. And take note that one of the reasons why Bitcoin was created in the first place was so that people can have an asset that can act like a hedge against inflation. The intention of Bitcoin, or crypto in general, was to protect us from inflation. You get what I mean? Even JP Morgan says that Bitcoin, not gold, is the new inflation hedge. So then you will be thinking, why is Bitcoin dropping then? Why are cryptocurrencies falling if they were intended to be a hedge against inflation? So yes, they were intended to be a hedge against inflation, but it will take some time for the market to figure out what to do with the latest inflation data. There are solid arguments that inflation is only heading higher, but there are also solid arguments that many inflationary drivers, like higher prices for cars, rising food costs, and even higher oil and natural gas prices, will ease over time. Now, cryptocurrencies have been on a quick run higher over this past month. Bitcoin and Ethereum in particular were up over 20%, and a pullback is natural at this point. Even Catgirl Token, look at this, over the past 1 month, right? It's up actually. It's not down. It's down now in the short term, meaning past 7 days. Today, past 2 days. But over the course of the last 1 month, it's up. So a pullback is natural at this point of time. Or it could simply be that big investors are taking some money off the table, right? And once this drops enough, these big investors will come back in and buy the dip. And when the market goes up again, like what it did here, if it goes up again in the future after the next big dip, small investors will FOMO into the market, just like what they did here. And they will be the one buying at higher prices. And the big investors, they will sell off at higher prices. And then we'll have another dip again. And that's the game, my friends. That's the game. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like so that more people can find the video. Every time you like the video, more people can find the video. And then more people can get to know about our amazing Catgirl community. So thanks for watching and have a great day.